Our first step in working with Python is to download and install Anaconda. Go to your favorite search engine and search for Anaconda Python. Go to the Anaconda website. When you get there, click the tab labeled Products and select Individual Edition. Next, click the Download button or download the version that works for your operating system. Next, go ahead and open up the installer. This is a pretty big program, so it might take somewhere between 10 to 20 seconds before you actually see it open. When installing Anaconda, I would just go ahead and use the default settings. Now, one of the great things about Anaconda is that you can actually install multiple versions on the same computer. In some cases, you might do this if you have multiple users on that computer. Each user can maintain their own personal version of Python. This is really helpful because it prevents incompatibilities between users if Python or the Python libraries get updated unexpectedly. Or, for intermediate to advanced users, this is a nice option because a single user can maintain multiple versions of Python to verify that their code will continue to run even if Python gets updated or the libraries get updated unexpectedly. This part of the installation took me quite a while, so don't be surprised if it's another 10 to 20 minutes before you finish installing Anaconda. Next, I would recommend unclicking the two boxes here and finishing up the installation. I know I didn't do that here, but if you do click those boxes, it's going to take you to some web page to register and stuff like that, and you don't really need to do it right now. So with that, your installation of Anaconda is complete.